Hey, so I'm thinking, and I do that a lot. And what I'm thinking is that I plain don't understand what's happening in my situation. It is strange, and I'm trying to work it out and see if I can make progress. So I don't know what you know. So the situation is I've lost my memory completely, very nearly 100% of memory loss of my entire life. I have some vague memories of people's faces and places I've lived, even the addresses and postcodes and things like that. But I don't know what I did an hour ago or whatever. It's very strange that I remember some things and not others. That I remember my password for my computer, for example, but I don't remember things like my phone number or whatever. I don't even know where I'm living at the moment. Um, Not even vaguely. I'm not sure, but I think it's near London, and that's all I know. I may be Slough. I'm not sure. So I'm try and get a grip on why I remember some little things, but mostly nothing. So I'm trying to get some kind of handle on that. So what I decided to do is a little test where I'll write a word down in Notepad on my computer or whatever, and then I'll set a reminder on my phone to try and remember the word that I wrote yesterday. So I'll set a reminder now, pick a word like flamingo or whatever, and then prompt me tomorrow to see if I can remember that word. So I'm thinking that that might be the beginning of some kind of progress in memory. It's not particularly interesting, I realize, so I appreciate if you're listening. But I have to try and rebuild the memory because I can't tell you how frustrating and crazy it is to not have a memory. I'm actually wondering how I survive this situation. I'm surprised I'm able to function. And I'm surprised, for example, that I'm able to remember that I've forgotten my memory. Why do I retain that fact? And I retain the password for my computer, but it seems like I can't remember anything else. So I'll try this test of remembering a single word and testing the following day. So I'll record the word now and then see if I can remember it tomorrow. I suppose that's the beginning of trying to rebuild memory, or the function of memory rather. So yeah, life is very strange, but I don't want to go crazy or get particularly bored by not remembering, so I have to try and improve it somehow. So I will update if I remember once I've done the test. Okay.